In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix the issue of not being able to join a friend's world in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Not being able to join a friend's world can be frustrating, so be sure to watch the full video as we cover several fixes. Also, the host should follow the steps too, not just the person trying to join, so make sure to share this video with them. The first step is making sure that you guys are actually friends. Open up Minecraft and tap play. Go to the Friends tab in the top right hand corner. If your friend doesn't show up in this section, tap Search for Players and type in their gamer tag or get their QR code right here. Make sure to send them a friend request, and that's most likely your issue as to why you can't join their initial game. If you are friends, however, but still can't see the world, fully close and restart Minecraft. Open the game again, go to play, and then go to friends again and see if they're available now to join their world. If that's still not the issue for you, the host should tap edit on their world, scroll down to multiplayer tab on the left and make sure multiplayer game is turned on. Under player access, make sure it says friends or friends of friends so that you are able to join. If it's on invited only, they would have to invite you for you to join their world. If you're playing over LAN, however, make sure visible to LAN is enabled as well down in this bottom section of the map. Press play again to relaunch the world, and you should be able to join now. If this still doesn't work, the host should also fully restart Minecraft and try again. The final fix is regarding your internet connections. Both players should check their Wi-Fi or internet connection to make sure it's working properly. That should have fixed the issue. If this video guide helped, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content just like this. Have a good day.